By age 17, nearly half of all people already have calcium deposits forming inside their pineal gland, the brain's only melatonin factory. When those deposits build, your melatonin output collapses, and with it, the deep sleep your hippocampus needs to encode memory. A 2013 study in the Journal of Pineal Research confirmed that calcification accelerates after 40, and the melatonin loss directly disrupts slow-wave sleep, the phase where memory consolidation actually happens. No drug, no supplement, no surgical approach has reversed the deposits once they harden. Subscribe. Tomorrow's one is even more surprising. The gland itself is smaller than a pea, but it controls the circadian signal that synchronizes your entire cognitive clock to daylight. And once calcium takes over, that signal starts drifting permanently. Hit the bell so this